Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new build. I recently purchased a car from Copart. It's going to be a rebuild series just like the other 335i BMW that I'm dailying, and this one is a 535i. This is my new 2011 535i M Sport. As you can see, it's got the M Sport wheels, M Sport front bumper, side skirts, and rear bumper. The exterior, I believe, is space gray metallic, just like my 335i. Now, for what I paid for this thing on Copart was a little over $4,000. I'll put the listing up above, and I feel like that is a pretty damn good deal when compared to the 335i that I bought. I paid a little over $7,000, I believe, for that with fees included, but the damage was also quite a bit less. Now, the good thing about this is the hood and the fender are both aluminum. It's both soft metal, so it makes it look a lot worse than what it really is. And when you look closely, you can see that they actually hit a deer. You can see fur from the deer is still on the bumper, and the headlight is just completely smashed. Now, what we really care about and what's going to determine whether this is rebuildable or not is this frame rail right here, or apron. As you can see, it's a little bit buckled right there on the side. I don't believe that's a huge deal. I don't think really anything connects in that besides maybe a hood stopper, but everything beyond that looks fine. So you go over to the door, the fender is definitely needs to be replaced, so that gap right here, don't mind that. But when you look up here, you see how that's basically perfect all the way around, and the door gaps all the way to the side skirt are just perfect. Even the fender at the bottom is pretty close. So we go around the rest of the car, it looks pretty good. Not really any damage anywhere besides a few little dings. And that's all good. They did plastic dip the wheels. We'll have to get that off at some point. Now I'm going to go into the mods that they did, just the visual mods you can see in the back. They pretty much straight pipe this thing. I think they left one factory resonator in there. When you open this, it has a Burger Motorsports intake. Also, what makes it super loud is you can't see it down there, but it has a catless downpipe. And whenever I had the car jacked up, I was able to see a intercooler at the bottom. It was just an all aluminum intercooler. Don't know what brand that is. Could be eBay brand, could be Burger Motorsports, which I really hope. And then also, if you look underneath here, there is a cheap blow off valve. That's not an original HKS. And then it has a charge pipe, obviously. So that's all the mods I can really tell from this thing. Let's go ahead and jump on the inside, because the inside is very, very nice in this car. So as we go on the inside here, we got the tan interior, which I'm not a big fan of, but it does look okay with the black floors and black headliner. We got the M Sport door sills as well as the M Sport kick plate, which is a really nice touch. I believe these could be the sport seats, but I'm not 100% sure on these F10 5 Series. Dash is really, really nice. Has this big aftermarket Android screen right here, and the M Sport steering wheel. They put a lot of fake carbon parts on here, which will probably be coming off. But as for the inside of this 5 Series, it's very, very nice. So we go on the back here, same M Sport door sill. Actually not a whole lot of room back here. The seats are kind of far back, but really not a whole lot of leg room back here for especially a 5 Series, which is supposed to be a luxury sedan. Another few mods they did is you see the fake carbon mirrors right there. And they actually have real carbon fiber. I guess you just call this a roof spoiler. It's a little bit cracked, so that will either be refinished or just taken off. I'm not sure if I like that. And then here's a carbon spoiler on the back, just a little lip spoiler. Looks pretty good, needs to be refinished. I also love the taillights on these 5 Series. It has like these weird like little curvatures here. Makes it look pretty aggressive. Now for the tires, we got 275s in the back. All the tires have really good tread. They did plastic dip the wheels. I like the black, but I do not like the plastic dip. So maybe we'll try to get those powder coated. Not 100% sure. And here is the side skirt. I'm not sure if this is the same side skirt that's on the rest of the 5 Series. I think this is just the M Sport side skirt. Other than that, guys, stay tuned. We're going to be doing a whole rebuild on this thing. Hopefully, I'm going to cross my fingers. Right now, we're going to go ahead and take off the hood and the front bumper and the fender and just kind of assess the damage.